My presentation today is on Kane Brown's lyrics, What If? Kane Brown's birth name was Kane Allen Brown. He was born in Georgia, and he's a country singer and songwriter, and he's 24 years old. There are so many what ifs in the world that we think of every day. We need to remember that we cannot change yesterday, cannot predict tomorrow, so we have to live for today. Don't let those what ifs get in the way. Take chances in life and don't be afraid. Live your life, don't exist because you're scared of the what ifs. No two experiences in life are alike. You may have had bad relationships or heartbreak in the past, but don't let it stop you from loving today. People and things change every day. Don't compare one person to the next one. No one is the same. You cannot truly live without taking risks or changes. What if this chance does go wrong? Nothing is promised. Nothing is guaranteed. No relationship is perfect. So do we let history repeat itself again, or do we work on it and not worry about failing? Heartache happens daily. It is a part of life. It comes in many forms, not just in relationships. But in all those situations, it's something you can work at and not worry about what ifs. I did this, or what if I did that? Think about it. Take the risk. If we don't take risks, we don't live. We exist. You write your book of life. It starts with the day you were born and ends the day you die. You fill in the pages. Do you want it to be full of what ifs and regret, or do you want it to be full of I took chances and I lived my life? Don't let things from your past live in your head. Then those things or people win. Shut them out of your head and live life. Think positive, evaluate situations, and ask questions. If you do not get past the what ifs, you will never know. Walk on the edge of that limb. Dive off of that cliff to the beautiful water below. You cannot compare one relationship to the other. Two relationships are not the same. Give somebody a chance. This could be your soulmate. This may be the one. This could be your future husband. If you do not reach out for that first kiss or first date, you will always have that regret of what if. We take risk every day that we don't even think about. Walking out the door, getting hit by a car, getting in a car or a plane accident, blown away by a tornado. If we let all those what ifs stay in our head, we cannot function. So why let these what ifs rule our life? The past is the past and the future isn't here yet. So take on life today. Don't exist, live. Take a chance, walk on the edge, breathe, smile, laugh, go for it. We're not made to live in a bubble. You can stay alone in life or you can give love a shot. If you don't, you will never find that one to whisk you away, to complete you, to protect you, to love you unconditionally, the guy to make everything all okay. You are in control, no one else. Don't live with regret for not trying. Life is so full of experiences that are meant to be shared by you and the one you love. Your life and decisions are in your hands. You can have blank pages in your book of life for living in the past and with fear and without taking chances. The good thing is, your book of life can be of breathtaking experiences. Love, freedom, risk-taking, chances. Yes, there will be heartache and disappointment and sadness, but only you can change that into something positive. But only you can write your book. Some people want to fly to beautiful places, but let the what if the plane crashes get in the way. Some people want to do and try new things, but are scared of the what if I fail. What if the sky falls tomorrow? What if the world ends this afternoon? Can you truly say you lived your life without regret? Did you take those chances? Did you let fear get in the way? Do you let those what ifs stay in your head? Think about this. Take hold of your life and your fear. Dive into life head first. Don't look back. Share it with the people that make you happy. So in conclusion, skydive out that plane, take the first kiss, take a chance. Live life for all it's worth. Now your book of life can be a breathtaking experiences. Yes, there'll be heartache and disappointment and sadness, but you can change that into something positive. You can do that with putting all your what ifs away. I lived for 10 years of what ifs. Now I just throw them out the window. I am 54 years old and I want my book to show I lived, I loved, I learned, I jumped out that plane, dove off that cliff, and kissed all my what ifs goodbye.